Hey, Lady Ada, what are you up to?
Oh, hey Adabot. I was just programming my circuit playground.
Playground? That sounds like fun. What can you do with it?
You can do a lot with a circuit playground, like detect motion, measure temperature,
Brr, that is cold.
sense light, touch, and sound too.
Hello! La 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 la!
It even has a buzzer built in.
Wow, Circuit Playground can do lots of interesting things.
Yep, and the best part is you can combine all of these abilities to make really cool projects.
Like what kind of projects?
Like a tilt sensor, detect a heartbeat, a musical instrument, or even interactive games.
I won!
And those are just a few examples. Get creative and you can make pretty much anything you imagine.
Excellent. So, how do you tell Circuit Playground what to do?
Easy. First, you write your code. Then, you upload that code to your Circuit Playground. You can choose how you want to write and upload the code. Circuit Playground works with CircuitPython on Codecademy.
This is awesome. I'm gonna go get started on my first project. Thanks.
Hey, I was using that.